Today, I want to talk about how you actually know your body is healthy. If you're a woman in your late 30s or older, I'm pretty sure you've heard it all. What to eat, how to move, what to cut out. What's missing from all of that is learning how to actually listen to your body and knowing what's supposed to feel like when things are working the way they should, especially at this age when so much starts to shift. So, today, I want to go through some simple everyday signs that your body is happy and how to notice when something is a little bit off before it turns into a bigger issue. None of this is going to be revolutionary, and that's kind of the point. Number one, your energy stays pretty steady throughout the day. You wake up feeling okay, not amazing necessarily, but you feel good. And you don't hit a wall in the afternoon where you feel like you can barely function without coffee or sugar. If you notice you're completely dragging by 2 or 3 p.m. every single day and you need caffeine just to get through it, that's usually not just because you're busy or tired from life. It's often your blood sugar or your sleep quality, and both of those can shift a lot in your late 30s and 40s because of hormonal changes. So pay attention if this becomes a daily thing, not just an occasional rough day. Second, your period doesn't wreck your life. Regular periods doesn't mean the same every single month, and it definitely doesn't mean it has to look the same way it did when you were 25. Cycles naturally start changing in your late 30s and 40s, so some change is expected. What matters is whether you can still function normally. A bit of cramping is normal, but being in so much pain that you can't get off the couch for 2 days is not. And that's worth looking into, not just pushing through. Number three, you have a healthy and steady appetite. You get hungry, you eat, you feel satisfied. You're not thinking about food constantly, and you're also not forgetting to eat because you're so busy and you don't even feel hungry. This one is really common at our age when life gets full with work, kids, everything else, and you just stop noticing you're hungry until you are starving or exhausted. If that's happening to you regularly, it's worth paying attention to because it usually catches up with you. Number four, you fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up mostly rested. It doesn't have to be a perfect night every night, but if you're consistently sleeping a full night and still waking up exhausted, or you're waking up in the middle of the night for no clear reason, that's information worth paying attention to. Sleep quality often changes with hormones as you get into your late 30s and 40s, so this is kind of common at this stage of life. Number five, your digestion doesn't bother you. Boring digestion is a good thing. No bloating after meals, no pain. You have regular bowel movements. So many women just got used to living with some level of stomach issues and think it's normal because it's so common, but common and normal are not the same thing. If your stomach is quietly bothering you all the time, pay attention. Your body is telling you something might be off, whether that's what you're eating, how stressed you are, or something worth mentioning to your doctor. Number six, your mood is fairly steady. This doesn't mean you're happy all the time. What it means is that you're not running on empty emotionally almost every single day. Mood is affected by a lot of things: nutrition, sleep, hormones, how stressed you are. When those things are in a decent place, your mood usually follows. And if your mood has shifted and you think it's just stress, just hormones, that might be true, but it could just as easily be your blood sugar or simply not eating enough. Number seven, you can work out and actually bounce back. This is a big one that changes with age. It's completely normal for recovery to take a bit longer than it did when you were younger. That's just how our bodies work over time. But there is a difference between needing an extra day to recover and being completely wiped out for 3 days after a normal workout. Obviously, if it's the second one, that's your body telling you something, not just getting older. Here's the thing about paying attention to your body at this stage of life. One bad night's sleep or one rough cycle doesn't mean something is wrong. It's the pattern that matters. If you notice something is happening again and again, that's worth paying attention to. And catching it early is so much easier than waiting until it becomes an actual health issue. And if you think your symptoms are just stress, just hormones, or just getting older. Sometimes that's true, but sometimes it means you're lacking certain vitamins, chronically undereating, or dealing with elevated cortisol. Getting older isn't an excuse to stop paying attention to your body. It's actually a reason to pay more attention. So, if you want to know the 5 simple things you can do to stay healthy, watch this video next.